Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Prestige B. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair back to life. This is a Brazilian body wave from my hair company, PrestigeHumanHair.com. I didn't decided I almost did not record this video, and I was like, you know what, let me turn on the camera and do this. So that's the reason why one side is already done, and this is not a full lace wig. This is a 13x6 lace frontal, and this is on my website to purchase right now. And yeah, we're gonna show you how I get the curl back, because you guys know when you wash your hair after you wear it and all of that good stuff, the curls do not come the way how it come when you first get it. So you gotta make, you gotta do your thing. So I'm gonna show you how I get that done. So this is the Sebastian Hair Shaper and the Argan Oil. The Sebastian Hair Shaper is like a firming spray. It holds the curls, and this is why I love it, because it just holds the curls intact. So I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit, and also the Argan Oil and a little bit of heat protector, because you're putting heat onto the hair. You have to put your heat protector serum. So I'm going to go ahead and section off the part in the back. I'm not going to do a big or a small section, like a medium size is good. So I'm going to go ahead and pin that up, and I'm going to use my curling wand. I got this from Amazon like 2 years ago, and it's really good. I did put the heat to 450. It's really hot, as you guys will see in the video. It is super duper hot. So I'm going to go ahead and not going to put it in between the curl. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put it right underneath and then fold it over. And when I'm folding it over onto the section, I'm going to go ahead and pull it really tight, and then hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, and then hold it into my hand so that the heat could come out, then let it go. So as you can see, I'm holding it, and then I'm going to go ahead and let it go right into my hand, and then I'm going to hold it for like, I would say 5 seconds, and then let it go. Just like that. So as you can see, you have a nice wave to it, but it's not that tight. And this is how you get that body wave here. Okay, you could do this on a straight hair. You could do it on whatever hair that you buy from me. My hair take good heat, so you could go ahead and do that. So pretty much I'm going to fast forward this section. I'm going to take my spray and also my Argan Oil spray, and then put it right underneath, and then flip it and then turn it around onto the curling one. Hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, then let it go into my hand. Hold it again so that the heat could come off, and then let it go. So this is the way how I curl my hair to get that body wave texture. So guys, I just want to talk about my Valentine's Day sale. It is right now on sale on my website. Don't forget to click that link in my bio. I do have a huge Valentine's Day sale. All products that's on my website right now, it is 50% off. It is until the 7th of February. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. You do not need no coupon code to go ahead and purchase it. And you will definitely get your products and get your supplies before Valentine's Day. So make sure you check it out. I will put all the info in the description box. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. I'm not going to do too much chit chat. I just want to show you how I curl my hair and how to get that texture back to life. So now that I'm at the front where the frontal is, I am not going to curl towards the hair, towards the front. I'm curling away from the hair, if you know what I mean. As you see that I put the curling one underneath and I'm pulling it away from the hair, and that's how you get that nice body curl. And then I'm going to go ahead again and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. So as you can see, I am curling away. I'm showing you with my hand. I'm curling away, not forward, away, and go underneath and fold it and hold it tight and then let it go. So that's how you get that nice bouncy curl that is not curl in your face, is curl away, if you know what I'm talking about. So this is the way how you're supposed to curl the hair. So yeah, just keep on watching. So now that I'm at the front, I'm going to go ahead and finish curling off this last section. And when I'm at the front curling off this last section, I don't let it go. I kind of like fold it up and then let it stay for like a minute or two, like what you see me doing here. And then later on when I'm going to style it, I just come back as you see me doing right now and just let it go. So at the top, it give it a more tighter, loose curl instead of like a regular bouncy curl, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off, and as you can see, that is completely done. And this here is just giving me life. It is so bouncy, it is so nice. I didn't want to loose it out, but I was like, you know what, let me just loose it out with my hand. I did not use a comb. I just rake it with my hands, and it still turned out good. It still have that nicey bouncy curl. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more Sebastian hair shaper just to tighten up the curl a little bit more. And then I'm going to put my hair mousse, not my hair mousse, sorry, my hairspray. And then I am completely done. I'm going to put this wig on. I'm not going to show you guys how I put the wig on because it's just simple me putting the wig on. Nothing new. I did not change up my method. It's the same thing. So you can see how I'm pulling it out with my fingers, and it still give it that nice bouncy curl. This here is so beautiful. So this is the finished look. As you can see, I did put the wig on, and this makeup look is on my channel right now. Go ahead and watch it. I did post this video yesterday, so make sure you check my video out because I do upload Monday through Friday. So I'm just using my comb, my hot comb, and a little bit of the hard head spray, and just spray it on, and pretty much I'm done, guys. This is a finished look. As you can see how it's still curly and bouncy. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what you want me to do next, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.